Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. My name is Nur Hidayah binti Zayadi. I'm from School of Education Studies. My course is Literature with Educations. I major in History and minor in Literature. So today I will talk about learning theories. So I choose Behaviorism theories. Okay. Behaviorism learning theory for activities and assessment. How is learning described? Behaviorism equates learning with change either in form or frequency of visible performance. Learning is achieved when appropriate responses are demonstrated following the delivery of specific environmental stimuli. So, instruction rule. Teachers need to evaluate students to determine when starts teaching and also determine which reinforcements is most effective for a particular student. Teacher needs to arrange the environmental conditions so that the students can make the correct response with the target stimulus and receive reinforcements for the response. Learner role. Student must know how to implement the correct response as well as the conditions under which the response should be made. Okay. Next, how learning is transferred. So, behaviorism learning that take place through stimulus response. So, for example, teachers must be a good example to students, such as use neatly dressed, polite, and always dedicated in carrying out their duties as teachers. So students will imitate the good behavior. So, type of learnings, stimulus and response, repeat training, and reinforcements to make student get an excellent result and be a better person. So, I give the example here. Giving word of encouragement and motivation to form the desired behavior. So, if student feel happy because of the teacher's praise, dislike reinforcements, then the behavior will be repeat and reinforced. Okay. Next is principle of learning. So the behaviorism principle asset the human being learns through the process of making and repeating, and forgetful occur when stimulants are not learned or repeat. So, therefore, the relationship between stimulus and positive response can be strengthened if repeat. On the other hand, the relationship between stimulus and response will be weak if not repeat. Okay. So, why I'm choose behaviorism? Okay, for me, behaviorism can forming positive emotions for students and for teachers. So, they can increase self confidence. So, can form a good attitude. So, that's all from me. Thank you.